Hello, students of Standard 9. Welcome once again in this YouTube channel of Mount Brescia. I am here with the same chapter in English, Ishwaran the Storyteller. I have told you two stories how Ishwaran narrate the stories. One story he has narrated about the fallen tree on the road. Another about the tusker, how he has with a small stick made a huge tusker fall down. Now today again one new story. He always ready be ready with different types of stories of adventure, terror, horror, everything. Now see, one story. One morning, when Mahendra was having breakfast, Ishwaran asked Mahendra, "Can I make something special for dinner tonight? Can I make some special dinner for night tonight, sir? After all, today is an auspicious day. According to tradition, we prepare various delicacies to feed the spirit of our ancestors today. So, according to Ishwaran, today is a very auspicious day. So, he wanted to prepare a very good, delicious food at night. Because why it is a auspicious day? Because on this day, they means people used to feed the spirit of the ancestors, Purbaj. So he wanted to prepare a very nice dinner tonight. Now see what happens next. Then he also said, sir, this entire factory area we are occupying was once a burial ground. He started. Mahendra was jerked. He was listening. Now he became afraid, fear. Burial ground? Of the means pleasant reverie. What do you mean by reverie? A state of being pleasantly lost in one's thought. A daydream means he was listening to Mahendra very deeply, quietly. Suddenly he jerked himself. What? It is a burial ground. He had drifted into after satisfying meal. Then Iswaran said, I knew on the first day itself when I saw a human skull lying on the path. Even now I come across a number of skulls and bones, Iswaran continued. Iswaran says, the first day when I arrived in this area, from that day only I knew that this was previously a burial ground because I saw some human skulls lying over there. Now also when I move here and there, I found different types of bones and skulls lying all over. See, this is the burial places, all skulls, skeletons are all lying there. So when he saw this, when he told that while he arrived in this place, he saw many types of skulls and bones like this. He went on to narrate. He went on to narrate how he sometimes saw ghosts at night. He says, I am not easily frightened by these things, sir. Means this ghost, I do not believe, I did not get frightened. I am a brave fellow. But one horrible ghost of a woman, horrible ghost of a woman which appears off and on at midnight during the full moon. It is an ugly creature with matted hair and a shriveled, means wrinkled, shrunken face like a skeleton holding a fetus. Fetus means unborn baby, small baby which has not yet been unborn from mother's womb but taken out, that type of, in its arm. So these are the different ways by which Iswaran tried to frighten Mahendra to make him feel that yes, ghosts are there. Although Iswaran says that I do not fear ghosts, but he is uttering the words in such a way that Mahendra gets afraid, frightened. By hearing this, Mahendra shivered at the description and he interrupted rather sharply. You are crazy. Iswaran, there are no such things as ghosts or spirits. Iswaran, Mahendra has scolded Iswaran. What is these things you are believing in? These ghosts, spirits are not there. You are just useless. Don't believe in such things. It is all a figment. Figment means production of the mind, fickle mind, of your imaginations, kalpana. It is a fictitious figure which you think about it, and so you are telling about these things. Get your digestive system examined, means you are having some indigestion problem. That's why you are thinking too much like these things, and just you are telling me and making me frightened. And you may be your head as well, not only digestive system, you show your head also to the doctor. He scolded him. You are talking nonsense. You are always talking nonsense and making me afraid. Foolish fellow, go to the doctor and show your indigestion and your mind also. What happened next? Is there any real ghost? We will see it in my next video. Thank you.